Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be my nighttime routine, and I'm really excited about this part of the day because I'm getting ready to go to sleep. But before I get cozy, I need to do a few things like cook dinner. And if I have any vegans out there, please close your eyes for the next 20 to 30 seconds. I'm just going to season the steaks, flip them over as soon as I start to see any of the redness rise to the surface. You're only going to flip these babies once and you're going to get that really beautiful color. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and paprika, so very light seasoning. Then I'm going to move over to my broccoli, my green veggies, which are so yummy. I just tossed these in a little bit of olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. And if you've been following me for some time, you know I go all out with my plating. I like to make sure that my meals look really nice. And then of course I have to wash the dishes afterwards. I have a small sink so they can pile up pretty quick if I don't attack them right away. Then of course, bath time with my son. Now he is never going to be too small to take a bath. He's a little fish. And then it's time for me after I put him down. So I'm going to start with removing my makeup, and I use makeup wipes to get it done first, so take the bulk of my makeup off. And I just love these wipes because it really does take everything off, including waterproof mascara, with such ease. Next, I'm going to cleanse my face using a gentle cleanser. As you guys can see, I'm going to be rubbing onto my eyelashes, making sure that I remove every part of my mascara. And in addition to the Pour Moi Day Cream, I also use their Hydrating Balancer, their Black Serum, and then also their Night Cream. So after I wash my skin, I apply the Hydrating Balancer by pumping it onto a cotton pad and then swiping it all over a clean face. This is an oil-free lotion that balances pH levels and also my skin's natural moisture. Next, I'm going to be applying the Black Serum. Now, you only need a drop of this, but I wanted to show you guys the actual color and try to catch the fact that it's infused with diamonds because you can kind of see it sparkle. Now, I love it because it helps to break up the skin's dryness. Also, the formula feels super light and silky, and it just melts into my skin. And I really love that it hydrates and brightens my skin, so all you're left with is just a glowing face. I absolutely love the way my skin feels and looks. And you want to lock in that moisture, so I used the Pour Moi Night Cream. It has this super supple feel and it helps my skin as I rest, so I make sure that I rub this all over my face, including my neck. And it's densely packed with nutrients to fight against aging, so it's really tempting to rub all over my body. But if you guys are interested in this product or any of the ones that I showed you, there's a list and a link in the description box down below. Now I'm going to move on to body lotion, which I feel like I have to put maybe 2 or 3 layers on my skin because my skin can never get enough. It's so dry. And of course, I need to brush my teeth, and I make sure that I get every nook and cranny. I have really sensitive teeth, so I'm very particular about everything down to my toothbrush and toothpaste. I don't know about you guys, but all natural is the way to go. Next up is going to be a little bit of self-care, and I use this 5-minute journal. And like it says, it's only 5 minutes out of your day to set some intentions, give yourself some personal affirmations, and then also reflect on the day at the end of the day. So you think about what has happened and what you can do differently to make a positive impact in your life. I really, really love this journal, and I recommend it to anyone who needs a little bit of self-care in their life. Then also, I am a list maker. I like to plan what I need to do and what I need to purchase from the store the night before, making sure that I check my list twice. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this nighttime routine. Let me know what you guys do to get ready for bed in the comments section down below. And also don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.